Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to downgrade iOS, either it is assigned or unsigned on any iPhone device. By mistakenly or deliberately, you have updated with latest beta version now. How do you roll back it without losing any data? We will see. So firstly, let's check it out by tapping on a setting on your iPhones and check it out. Automatically your iPhone is giving permission on the recommending to downgrade or not. If it is not, then of course I will show you what's exactly new and how to go for installation of unsigned IPSW, as well as if you wanna that signed IPSW also on your iPhone's device without losing any data. So tap on a setting, guys. Let's see. Now we are on a setting to, of course, we will have to come in a general. So tap on a general to click on a software update. So it's the same thing, guys. Here, see, it's up to date. We are unable to especially downgrade it here. So for everything, just we will go for an administration, that is a 3U tool. In 3U tool here, just we will click on a smart flash and we will tap on here firmware. In a firmware, see, it's taking a little bit times. We have a 3 here, 4 iOS that are signed versions. So directly we can go for download and install it. But unsigned IPSW, that is, these all are except green signs, these all are unsigned. So we will come with the actually 16.7 points, especially here. If you would like to add jailbreaks, this can be also jailbroken. Now we will come in 16 points, especially 6 ones. So let's tap on it to download. So now see here, exactly it has started to download. Now that we can see, it's a little bit, it's taking times, but while I'm doing these things, how exactly this firmware can be accepted on here? Because signed versions automatically it will accept here when we go for. I'll show you demonstrate with the demo here, guys. Now it's downloading. See here, we will come on a SWSLM toolbox. Toolbox to here will stop iOS update and send to this description. So see successfully it has come on here. Now we will go for OK, and now we will come in especially smart flash options. Tap on a easy flash. Easy flash here. These all are assigned versions that I have already mentioned to you. But unsigned versions we would like to especially come. So now that we had already given the message here that now see this will not review of your settings so when we importing. So these all are signed version, but directly whatever that we have downloaded. Suppose here right now it's a downloading. We have the one firmware that is especially here. See, these all are firmware 16.7.9. So let's suppose we will import it. I had downloaded and now see, without any verification, it has been started to imports. Similarly, that is a signed version. Directly we can download and then retaining user data. That is very important. If you would like to lose your data, then we will have to select especially quick flash mode. It will give you quick results, but retain user data, it will take a little bit time. So just to select this one, the retain user data, and we'll come with this. Hit this one after selections in this. Now here is a function that if you would like to the backups, then you can backup. Otherwise, yes, this firmware can be downloaded from the 16.5 to especially 16.7.9. Now, how easily? Without backups, yes, we will hit this one and it will start to a downgrade. But right now, we will come with especially 16.6.1, guys, not at 16.7.9. So just it's a downloading, and then the further we will see how easily. So similar strategy we will have to apply. Just click on a hair flash and this will be started to especially downgrade quickly, because it will not interrupt you in a DNS configuration of the cloud database or Apple database, that it will not permit, this device will not permit to get or install this firmware easily. This can be try it and raise the comment in the below comment box, guys, if you have any query related to this tutorial, guys. So right now, see guys, I'm debating because it will take a time, especially because the speed is not exactly good one. So half an hour it's asking. So this is all about guys. Further any inquiry, of course, I had a query below the comment box. Pleasure would be managed to reply your query. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed.